At the bottom of everyone's stomach, there is a valve called the pyloric sphincter. Now, the pyloric sphincter opens and closes naturally and typically stays closed until food is presented to the pyloric sphincter and the food moves through, and then the sphincter closes again. So when I do a single anastomosis duodeno-ileostomy, I don't worry about bile reflux because of this pyloric sphincter. So the bile and pancreatic juices that are produced naturally move through the intestine up to the surgically created duodeno-ileostomy. And because the pyloric sphincter is closed, those bile and pancreatic juices move right on through, do not reflux back into the stomach, and go distal down into the intestine.